Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milky Way Art Design. So today I want to show you how to resin some of my pieces. As you remember, I did this one not too long ago and it dried so nicely, and also this one, as you can see, look at those back. So I am going to resin these two pieces just to show you, because some of you asked me how do I resin my pieces. So also today I have this little gadget with me, which is actually a Resin Mixer Pro, and it's battery operated, so there's no reason that I need to worry about strings and cords and everything. So I'm going to open this and I'm going to show you how it works. So let's see. I have to grab a knife first. So I have my knife. I'm going to cut this plastic tape. So the name of the company is called Istoyo. So here we go. I open it and this is what I have. So what are these? Oh, it shows that this is the manual basically. So I need 3 batteries, AAA battery, actually 4 AAA batteries to operate this. And one cool thing that I see that you can rotate in both directions. So let's see what we have here. So this is the handle. Oh, so this is the power button and 2 buttons to go 2 different directions. And oh, how nice, I have 3, actually 4 different rotating mixtures, and once they dry you can easily peel them off. The resin, you can easily peel off the resins. So let's see. Let's see if we have any batteries inside. No, we don't. So I have to grab some AAA batteries and come back. So let me come back. So I am back with AAA batteries and the negatives. Let me check the positives and negatives. So that's 1. Two. And this is the last one. So they are here, and as you can see I have 2 connections, so I just put it inside like that. Oops. So this is the middle. So now the whole thing is connected. If I push it on the right side, it turns, and on the back it turns on the other direction. So this is what I have. Now let me get my resin and we are going to test how it works. Before I start, I want to talk about a couple of things. I like that the bottom surface of this rotator is flat, so if I have something on the bottom, like literally it can scrape off the bottom, and also the sides are pointy, not curved, so you can scrape off every little tiny like little bits to mix it well, which is a really good thing. So today I'm going to use Pro Art resin from Promarine, and the reason I'm going to use it because I'm going to resin whites, because white tends to yellow no matter how good of a resin you're using, so that's why I'm going to try to stick with high-end resins. Definitely wear protective gear. Right now I'm not wearing it because I am recording myself talking to you, but it's not a good idea. Make sure that you wear that all the time. So the resin ratio is 1:1. I'm pouring 1 cup on this one, this cup. Usually I don't measure like how many ounces. I always go by 2 equal volume cups. So I'm going to scrape on the other side. This side I scrape the one item, and the other side I'm using to scrape the other side. And now I'm going to pour both of them in the these plastic old yogurt containers. I find them really handy and use them all the time. So here goes. See, this way I don't need to measure anything. I just, whatever I have, my job is to scrape everything from this cup. And that's it. I'll do the same with the other cup. Okay, so I'm setting aside the 2 cups. Let's use the mixer. So I put it inside and I'm just moving. Let's see how powerful it is. So one thing I would say, if you're doing small job, I think it's a very good product to have. And it's very quiet, which is a good thing, of course. I can really scrape the bottom, which is a very good thing, because with spatula when I mix it, it's not 100% satisfactory to me. So I'm liking that part. I really like to scrape on the bottom. Probably for the sides I will use the stick at the end a little, but I like it so far. I'm just going to hold it for a second because I want to drip everything before I remove it. Okay, I just could pull it off directly. Then they say that I have to use a baby wipe to wipe it, or a disinfecting wipe to just wipe it, and then I can just wash it with warm water, which of course it will take care of it. I am just going to leave it as is, and I'm going to check if I can peel it off once the resin dries. Okay, so here it stays. I'm just scraping the side to make sure that yes, it's done. Okay, perfect. So now let me show you how I resin my stuff. So I'm using my hand, spread it out well. Honestly, hand does the best work. I am just concerned about making sure that my tops angles are like only this side is covered, because from here I have tape. I'll get rid of the tape and everything will be perfect. So I'm not concerned about showing it on the sides on the bottom. Just the top will do. Then I'm going to torch it. I'll do this process a couple of times, like come back and torch it a little, because sometimes bubbles. So that's it. I'm going to do the other one as well. So thank you for watching me today, and I'll show you the finished product once it dries. Okay, thank you. I'm done. So this is the dried result. As you can see, I took off the sides and it dried really nice. So all I want to say is the mixing machine that I used to mix my resin did work really well, because as you can see, it did a good job. And so the name of the company is Istoyo, and I really like, I would say I mixed 16 ounces of resin, so it's battery operated. You need four AAA batteries to operate this, and it has plenty of power to mix, probably I would say 16 to 18 ounces of resin, which most of us don't mix more than that anyway at a time. So this is one of my piece, and if you look at the back, I have some, I can get rid of them, so it really did a good job. This is the other one, and I hope you can see when I did the brulee on the base, you can see the way it turned out. I'm really happy with how it looks. So yeah, there we go. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today and hanging out with me. I just wanted to share with you the new mixing and the how I do my resin. I hope it helped you. Bye.